Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of kicking you out on Messenger. We go to settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about the application of Messenger app and you will click. Here we go to first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Messenger here, and then you will update your app. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.